tell you ingredients. This is flour. This is tapioca, and this is cornstarch, and this milk white. So guys, I'm gonna put the ingredients. Flour. I need my mom to help me.
Okay.
Who don't have work.
Why?
Because they don't have food. Any food.
Why they don't have work?
Because of the coronavirus.
I see. So, imo nang ipanghatag. O kayong tarong. Kayong tarong.
I already mixed it and I already mixed it thoroughly. And next is I should put food coloring. It should be color pink.
Why pink?
Because it's
Kuchinta?
my favorite.
Your kuchinta is pink color?
So guys, I already put the coloring with the help of my mom. I will put it in a tin. It should be clean and not messy. So. That?
No?
Like this.
Unsa ka? What happened?
It almost fell down.
Careful. Unsa imong giluto? What's the name of that?
Kotincha.
Unsa?
Kotincha.
Ha?
Kotincha.
Kot.
Kotincha.
Kotsinta.
Kotincha.
Kot.
Kot.
Chinta.
Kotincha.
Di ka kalitok. Kot. Cinta.
Kotincha.
Kutsinta ni Baningning. Wow, bansay niya kayo siya. You're very good na. Slowly. After that, what's the next? You have to put it in the...
Oven.
What oven?
I mean, that. So,
Put little more.
like this?
That's too much. See, the last one?
Eh,
The last green one. The last one you put it. So what's the next? You have to arrange it in the...
steamer. So,
Then how many minutes man yung mulutuon?
20.
Puto is 20. Your kutsinta is 40 minutes.
2, 3. It should be blue.
It's okay. Okay ra na. Light color.
And
Slowly.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You can make it 10.
9.
10. Move the other side.
Take a picture. So guys, I already arranged. So
Pilam nakabuo.
I'm gonna cook it for 14 minutes. I'll be back
How many
for
things inside?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8
8,
only?
9, 10.
Okay, see?
See, look.
Wow.
It's nice. It's 10, right?
Yeah, so now,
So guys, the water's already boiled, so I'm gonna put it in the steamer and I'll be back for 14 minutes.
how many minutes?
14.
40.
40. I'll be back for 40 minutes. So guys, I'm back now and it's already finished. How it looks, my cotton siya.
What's that?
Katincha.
Kuchinta.
Katincha.
Kuchinta.
Katincha.
So,
So guys, here it is. Look at this. It's very nice. And this one is very sticky, right? Touch.
so arrange na.
Okay.
Unsa man na imong topping? So, amang kay lube.
Cheese.
Cheese.
My favorite.
Okay. So, butangin ng cheese ang imong kuchinta. Ya, lami. Try daw, be. Eat daw your kuchinta.
Yummy, right?
Di ka ganahan na cheese.
Huh?
Butangin cheese. Imo ha.
Thank you for watching for my cooking day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, Vanya Sivana. Bye. Mwah. I love you. I love you, everyone. I love you, guys. I love you, family. I love you all. Mwah. Stay safe and stay home, everyone. God bless.